To install the winch remote on your Ranger 1000 or XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, flip up the passenger seat bottom and remove the storage compartment underneath. Then, disconnect the negative battery cable and set aside. Move to the front of the vehicle and release the 2/4 turn latches on the hood. Pivot the hood back and remove from the vehicle. On Northstar Ultimate models, pull up on the windshield handle and open the tip-out windshield. Also, remove the 3 fasteners securing the windshield lock mount to the dash. Next, remove the 2 center dash trim panel rivets. Then, slide the trim panel rearward to gain access to the main harness. Next, mount the wireless receiver to the right-hand side of the underhood liner using the 4 provided fasteners. Models with a windshield washer reservoir will need this receiver mounted harness side forward. Then, install the provided fasteners and torque until fully seated. Continue by routing the receiver connectors rearward through the bulkhead grommet and into the dash compartment. Next, locate the pre-wired main harness connector under the dash. This will be connected to the main switch connector. Disconnect the switch connector from the main vehicle harness breakout connector. Then, connect the switch connector to the wireless receiver harness. Continue by joining the wireless remote connector to the main vehicle harness breakout connector. Next, reinstall the center dash trim by aligning the front retaining tabs and sliding forward. Then, secure with the previously removed pushpin rivets. On Northstar Ultimate models, reinstall the windshield lock mount and torque the fasteners until fully seated. Then, lower the tip-out windshield and lock into place. Next, move to the front of the vehicle and realign the lower retaining tabs on the hood. Then, pivot forward and secure the 2/4 turn latches. If desired, select a mounting location for the wireless remote holder. This location should not obstruct any of the driver shifting and steering components or impact their vision. Using the holder as a template, mark the 2 mounting holes. Before drilling, ensure there are no existing vehicle components behind the marked holes that would be damaged. Next, drill the 2 marked holes into the mounting surface. Then, mount the holder using the 2 provided fasteners and torque until fully seated. Next, reinstall the negative battery cable and torque to specification. Finally, reinstall the storage compartment and passenger seat bottom. The wireless remote will allow the user to operate the winch from outside the vehicle. To operate the winch remote, start the engine to prevent the battery from draining. Then, hold the power button on the remote for 3 seconds, or until the LED light illuminates. Press and hold the In button to recover the winch cable. To extend the winch cable, press and hold the Out button on the remote. The wireless remote will automatically turn off after 30 seconds of inactivity. To manually turn it off, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds or until the LED light extinguishes. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.